man, them no listen, man. Boom, boom.
Me a PNP and I suffer me boot I go look. You better me no vote.
I know all that destruction of PROPERIT.
Look like, yeah.
Come on, landslide.
Hey man, you know where I watch.
Dancehall skilla.
Hey, welcome my people. Dancehall skilla. There again. Blessed manners and respect each and every one. So I have some videos that I'm going to present to you that are going to show some things that happened at where there were gatherings at separate locations within the country of Jamaica for your subscribers. But before we get to any of those videos, I want you to take a look at a video that shows a person who was holding an object, chasing someone who was riding a bicycle. Your subscribers, in my point of view, the person was behaving as if the person wanted to hit the person with the object. And I really and truly hope that the person who's on the bicycle don't get hurt. You understand me? I'm not sure what the situation might have been about. You see? Yeah, some people might look at that certain type of way, but we see danger in it still. You see? Anyway, so that's one video that caught my attention. Now, more I listen to some words that a person said in a video to someone. The people, in my point of view, I think that the person might have not like some words that a person said to him, I'm going to say, or the person. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe.
So I can't stop the show, you know, because me a PNP and I suffer me boot I go look. You better me no vote.
My youth, go suck your mama, boy.
Better me no vote. Me a PNP and I saw me a come out. No, that is something wrong, man. No PNP no look so to on the eye.
Push your luck, you know.
No PNP no fi look so.
Yeah, you know, friend.
How you get that head here then? Nice abatement act. A police never call. Police never call. Nice abatement act. Never call the police. I go call the number up there so we say justice. Mama overdo it thing. You never hear about the nice abatement act. That's how you can't win back. Your boat no good. Rain fall a beer jump up on your two of them.
But people, I'm not sure if the person was teasing the person or what. You see what I say? But my point of view, the other person didn't like certain words that had been said. Certain words. See what I say? But anyways, more you listen to some words that someone said in the next video that I'm about to present to you as well. And you can leave a comment or comments and let me know what you think about these words that a person said. Oh, please bear in mind that I can also hear harsh language in this video. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe.
I know all that destruction of PROPERIT. A prosperity property. It's a disaster. It made the government busy go for money.
The Prime Minister went over there and caused people
Jamaica man but is sell in and out. It's like I said, it's a social lead disaster. But we don't pay for you go SUFFER and SUFFER. You don't suffocate. Sufferer. Never write a DNC, them are done. Then come like BAT, that's a rat back. Never write a blood. MAING, that's a means. Destruction of PROPERIT property.
Me, I wonder when a person did not drink, my people. Listen what I say? I was wondering. Anyways, don't get me wrong. I am not defending anyone, not anything, not anything to do no politics. No, don't get me wrong. It's just that the way the person looking at that video there, me have to wonder. Is it guys, my people? Okay, so we believe in freedom of speech, but please try and keep it clean. You see? So, my people, I want to take a look at a video that shows some things that happened at a location within the country of Jamaica where a lot of people who are believed to be Jamaica Labour Party supporters were at viewers, subscribers, look and listen for yourself. Oh, me not say, well, look for yourself, observe.
Never see this in our history. Can't see the record already from Jamaican people.
Look on the amount of KFC boxes. Well, I'm going to take a look at another video, my people. Now, the next video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, is going to show some things that happened because of some type of a confrontation or some type of what some people might call a disagreement. That's when I say, now, you have some people who take politics on a certain type of level, you know, where me have to wonder some of the times. So, me ask the people. Now, I want you to look at someone who you can see in a video that I'm about to present to you and listen to the words that the person said. It's not really a long video, but look and listen, observe.
People, see, I know this.
Yeah, man, you don't know, you know, one back to that.
Fully sure, man.
Just bro, God, dig up yourself, and you don't know, you know, you have it again.
How will look like tomorrow? How will look like tomorrow? Yeah.
Come on, landslide.
All it here green. So I saw a video that shows the Prime Minister of Jamaica, who goes by the name of Andrew Holness, very subscribers. In my point of view, he was walking to somewhere. Yeah, me see that the video there. And there was quite a number of persons who I believe to be JLP supporters at the location where he was at. Me see that video there. I also saw a video that shows someone dancing. I also saw a video that shows a person who some people on social media call RT Boss at a location where there was a lot of persons who are said to be Jamaica Labour Party supporters.
So Labour rights!
And I also saw a video that shows a person who a lot of people on social media call Jerry at a location where there was a PNP gathering or People's National Party gathering viewing subscribers. There was a lot of PNP supporters there based on the understanding we get. You see? And I also see a video that shows a dog at a location where there was a lot of People's National Party supporters. Okay, I notice me say something wrong a part of the dog as well. In my point of view, I think that there are persons out there who might wonder what might happen if a lot of people who are believed to be Jamaica Labour Party supporters somehow meet up at a location where there are a lot of people who are said to be People's National Party supporters are at. Some people might wonder what might happen. Well, anyways, we see more than one pieces of videos that shows something like that. Here's one of those videos. Look at it. See what happened. Alright. A lot of nice bit delicious. Let me say, things might not go the way you might think it might go. You see what I say? Yeah, things might go differently than where you might think it might go or might happen or whatever. See, Now, the thing about it is, though, I respect people who don't think certain ways when it comes down to politics. You see what I say? Yeah, I respect anyone who respect a person's decision and all and things there. Take a look at this video, my people. I mean, this video shows a certain amount of persons wearing green shirt, you know, and you can see parts of some person's bodies protruding from a motor vehicle that was in motion. But while I take a look, at the back of the motor vehicle, my people. Observe right here with me. Observe. See that? We notice that someone at the back of that motor vehicle was wearing a different type of color. We should all live in peace, love, and unity. We respect that. The next video I'm going to present to you is going to show some things that happened at the scene of where an accident happened along a roadway. The video is going to show at least 2 damaged motor vehicles during such crashes. Now, I don't have any confirmed information to determine exactly how those motor vehicles had been damaged. I didn't get any confirmed information to determine about any injury or anything like that during such crashes. But I think it is somewhat obvious that those motor vehicles at one point were in motion. I mean, in one of those videos, we see even airbag. This video shows a lot of persons wearing green shirts, and you can see persons wearing hats and so forth, my people. So I say, I think it is somewhat obvious that this incident or this situation happened on a day when there were a lot of people basically out in the public giving support to a political party from the country of Jamaica. But people, I really and truly hope for the best. You see what I say? But anyways, this video caught my attention, so I present the video to you. Make you have a look at it for yourself, my people. Oh, please bear in mind that I'm not able to confirm if any words said in the video about the situation are accurate or true in the video. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe. Hold on, my people. Hold on, there. The audio. Hold on.
Cha, them not listen to blood.
I second set this, you know.
Yeah, man, them not listen, man. Boom, boom, boom. Big up, big up, big up, big up. How the bumbo yet eat that they must walk on and so. I wish it was one line right now. Yo, you man move like a idiot. Chat. There, man.
So, listen to other people. So, let me make it very clear. I'm not sure how those motor vehicles have been damaged, but I do got the understanding that an accident happened along a roadway, and the video shows 2 motor vehicles that have been damaged. Again, I'm not sure how exactly those motor vehicles have been damaged. This happened within the country of Jamaica. So, my people, there are a lot more videos posted on social media and out there pertaining to political meetings and political gatherings and politics within the country of Jamaica and certain words being said. So, I just present a certain amount of videos to you that caught my attention pertaining to, persons who are said to be political party supporters within the country of Jamaica and so on, people. So I say, and to each and everyone, please try and do what you're doing safely when it comes on to political meetings and traveling in motor vehicles and so on. You see me, I say, yeah, I respect anyone who wants to do what they want to do and make them choice and support their political party and support, but please just do so safely. See, leave your home safe, go back home safe. And no really and truly work for the best when it comes on to that whole situation that we see in that video there. And I think here's where I'm going to leave it. So big up and respect each and every one. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all, and until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch.